So here we are driving down to Cornwall for a holiday that I've decided to make a vlog out of. Now, before we begin, please subscribe, and if you are, then let's get started. We're here at, what's this place called? Luxulian. Well, it's Luxulian, yeah. We're here at Luxulian Valley. We're going to go in the wheel pit. What is this, like an abandoned park?
Apparently it was like a Victorian leisure park.
We're floating on the lake,
Yeah.
on the river actually.
So after that we went home, and then the next day we went on this amazing walk with all these like big rocks you had to scramble over, and these cool like abandoned buildings. Walking by this stream, and it's kind of like rock scrambling as well as walking. I mean, this is a really sort of tame bit, and there's still rocks everywhere. Like further back, there were like these huge rock bits as tall as me that you had to like climb up. They're like slanted. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Noosh is in a tree. We found this abandoned factory, and look at this place. It's awesome. It's huge. There's doors along here. Where do they go? What? I swear there were doors. Well, I've been here before. There were definitely doors. Yeah, here are the doors. Is this the bats?
Yeah, probably.
We went here before, and there were bats in this little cage bit. Let's find more holes in the walls. It's a locked hole.
It's not this one though.
It's this one, it's unlocked. A funky tree. Jump. Oh, there's ovens. That's kind of cool. Don't go in the ovens.
It looks kind of manky.
Yo, they're gross. There's a Lunchables packet in there.
Ooh, Lunchables!
That was it. We had an amazing holiday. We did a whole bunch of stuff that I did film and some other stuff that I didn't. We explored an abandoned factory. We had done some great walks. We went to the beach, but I forgot to film it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. My ego needs it. And I'll see you next video.